Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn about time transition words. Time transition words are words that show the relationship between events in time. They help readers follow the order of events in a narrative. You can use time transition words to link ideas and sentences together. You can also use them to show when something happened or will happen in relation to another event. Time transition words help readers follow the order of events in a narrative. Now, let's learn about them with the help of examples. First word is first. For example, first wash your hands. Next word is next. Example, next add water to the pot. Next word is then. Example, then stir the source gently. Next word is after. Example is after the game we went home. Next time transition word is finally. Example, finally turn off the lights. Next word is meanwhile. Example, meanwhile the cake was cooling. Next word is later. Example, we can discuss this later. Next word is before. Example, he went for a walk before me. Next word is during. Example, during lunch we talked about it. Next time transition word is eventually. Example, eventually they reached here. Next word is soon. Example, he will arrive soon. Next word is earlier. Example, I met her earlier today. Next word is immediately. Example, she answered immediately. Next word is subsequently. Example, he graduated and subsequently moved to London. Next word, at last. Example, at last they found the missing key. Next time transition word is in the meantime. Example, in the meantime, you can read this book. Next is prior to. Example, prior to this trip, he packed everything. Next word is simultaneously. Example, the twins spoke simultaneously. Next word is shortly. Example, she will be here shortly.